Hello everyone and welcome. I should adjust the chair before I start filming. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmo YT toy review. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil set number 9070, the Pelican family. Yes, we've got a set of 4, 2 adults and 2 young pelicans, and they come with a few fish for them to eat. This is a different packaging. As you can see, it's in a bag instead of the standard box that we get, which is okay. It kind of makes looking at the picture and enjoying it a little bit difficult, but as you can see, we have our family of 4 pelicans standing on some rocks on a beach, and looks like one of the adults are trying to feed one of their babies, and the other one is going after a couple fish here. Aside from the Playmobil logo and the choking hazards in English and French, we've got our 8 pieces, an 8-piece indicator here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got 3 fish, 4 pelicans, and the rock piece, which this was my selling point right here. That was what I was wanting, just to have for background pieces for other photos and things that I do. So yeah, I'm really kind of excited about this. I don't normally buy the animals because I just think the price point is never that good. However, as you can see, there is a neon orange sticker on the back indicating that this is on clearance. It was priced at $8. I believe I got it for about 2 or 3. I'm not complaining. But anyway, we have the back of the picture where we have the pelicans and all the items photographed separately. We got more of the warnings, choking hazard warnings, the barcode, the Facebook and YouTube logos, and the country and manufacturer. So, without further ado, we are going to go ahead and tear this open. It says we need to cut it, and if it says we need to cut it, I guess we need to cut it, because I just tried opening it with my hands and it ain't working. So, got a little handy dandy box cutter here. Let's see how I didn't do too well. I was about to say, let's see how well I do. We all saw that. I just dug into the table. Oh, there we go. We got a rock formation. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I guess it's okay. I would have liked it a little bit bigger, but considering the size of the bag, it makes sense. Oh, so you get an unassembled adult. I guess to give you some sort of building experience here. Oh, that was quick and easy, and it did click. I don't know if you heard it or not. Let's see if I can get the pose the same way as the picture on the packaging here. Ooh. There we go. There's one. There's baby with the open mouth. Feed me, Seymour. Whoops. Oh no. Strangely, the rocks are not solid. Or, well, I'm sorry, the rocks are not flat on the top. So getting your birds here to stand still and even stand straight are going to be a bit of a challenge. I don't know. Nope, it's not going in. I'm sure they manipulated it somehow. They probably got some tack or something like that in there. Whoa, is it gonna hold? Nope. I think it's all because of gravity. Alright, so I got the Pelican facing upward just a tad. There we go. That seems pretty secure. Alright, baby over here. Oh, about to nip it mommy. But I don't have them posed right. Maybe that's it. There we go. That's the ticket. Oh my gosh. Oh, he does not want to stand. There's too much of an angle on the rock here. Okay. Second baby. Whoops. Looking downward at the other parent as he swoops in, or she swoops in for the other fish, which I think, am I seriously missing a fish right now? Yeah. Did 3 fish come out? Did anybody see it on the video? I might have to... I don't want to move the rock, because what if I have the rock on top of it? Oh, here it is. That was silly. Okay. Just like the cover. There we go. There we go. I about got it. Pretty cool. No articulation, not even in the necks. The only articulation you have is in the feet, and I guess it's just to pose the birds so that they're looking up or down. They do have the little groove under their feet, so you can clamp them onto branches and other things that they might fit onto. Not so much the babies. Babies don't have that kind of thing, which is kind of disappointing. The one thing I do wish that Playmobil would do with all their animals is color in the eyeball. I don't know, it just seems more complete that way, and not as spooky to look at. Even with the fish. I mean, I don't mind the fish not having eyeballs colored in, but it would be nice. But anyway, guys, this concludes our Pelican unbagging video. Hope you guys watched it. Please follow us on Instagram. Click subscribe if you haven't. Click like. And we'll see you on the next video. We've got quite a bit more coming. So until then, happy Playmobiling. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.